Hey folks, we're making our stop and start EV3 and here's our build. So the way that our program works is that we first declare the variable here with a positive value, and that's going to be sort of the default value. And then here we have the sound sensor to detect it. It's an if-then statement, so if it detects a sound louder than 30 decibels, then we'll do this variable math, where it takes the variable we declared, which is 1, and then multiplies it by -1, and then writes the variable. And they put in a delay so that it can process the input and then continue going. And then here we use another if-then statement, which again reads the variable, puts it into our handler. So if it's 1, which was our default value that we declared, it will remain paused, it won't move. And then once we clap and it becomes -1, then we allow it to move. And then of course it loops on and on and on. So you can clap it an infinite amount of times, clap again an infinite amount of times, and that will change the variable however many times we need it to. Clap. Clap again. Stops. Clap.